According to Christianity, God is love. There is a passage in 1 John, it's chapter 4, verses 7 and 8. It reads, "Beloved, let us love one another, for love is from God, and everyone who loves is born of God and knows God. The one who does not love does not know God, for God is love." Many scholars believe that when John says that God is love, he is speaking of the essence of who God is. God is himself love. John did not say God was loving, which is true, but that he is love. Now, a solitary God couldn't be love. He may learn to love or long for love, but he himself cannot be love, because love requires an object. True love requires relationship. In the doctrine of the Trinity, we see how love is part of the fabric of creation. It's essential to the eternally sufficient Creator. From eternity past, the Father, Son, and Spirit have been in communion, in a loving relationship that is essential to the very nature of God himself.